Are you looking for the best launchers for 2023? In this video, I will show you the best of them. So watch. These launchers I shown here has these qualities: simplicity, strong privacy policy, perfect ad arrangement, standard quality usage. Their names are listed down in the description section below for you to download and a little vital explanation of them. These are the best launchers for 2020 and I had used them, so subscribe and click on the bell icon for unlimited updates. What bad launchers will make you do? Avoid these. If you feel or like this video, don't think twice. Like, subscribe, click on the bell icon.